Hello, welcome back to Codix-Pro coding with Scratch, and I'll teach you how to make this laser effect, which is easy because it's only 4 scripts, and the only long script is this when I start as a clone, which is not as long. So I have this clean project. So on this clean project I have this laser beam, which you can get in the link in the description below. It's a project where you can get this sprite. Comes with this costume, the laser, and it comes with this laser sound. So let's get back to it. So we'll start off with when green flag's clicked, hide. Then when base key is pressed, create clone of myself. Then when I start as a clone and duplicate this, start sound laser on this one. Well, you can choose. Then on this, when I start as a clone, go to X -200 Y 0, and just before we do all the code, let's just quickly draw a black background to make it more visible. Here, right there. Perfect. Then, when I start as a clone, set size to 30. And show. Then let's make a new variable called beam speed. Well, when you backpack the sprite, it already comes with beam speed. So delete this variable, my variable. We only need beam speed variable. Set beam speed to 25. Of course, you can arrange this in however you want. Well, this is a good speed enough for a laser. You can change it. Well, I'm just doing beam speed to 25 for now. Then repeat 20 times. Change X by beam speed. Then wait 0.01 seconds. That is usually the number that you use for animation, so that's why it'll make smooth movement. Then set this ghost effect to 0, just like it is, because we're going to change that later. Then repeat 10 times. Change ghost effect by 10. So let's see what we've got so far. So we have that just like we have supposed, but the clone is still there, see? So now the last thing to do is to delete that clone. So after this, change ghost effect by 10. To make it slower, let's just wait 0.02 seconds. Then hide and delete this clone. So let's see. The clone is deleted. So this is the end of this tutorial. See you.